Hi, today we have Volkswagen Caddy. It's come with Misfire. We have full code for injector number 3. So for we make sure that injector is not working, we swap number 3 to number 4. So the fault is changed. That means the injector is not working. We put a new injector. We will do coding now. We replace the return pipe also because it was leaking before. So now we code the injector, we do road tests, then we come back, we see if any fault come back or any leak, we do finally QC. So we show you when we come back. So now we code the injector, new injector. Go here to injector. We code the new injector. After this we do road test and we come back to see if any fault code come back or is any leak with new injector. So we come back now from road test. We check all the injector, is no fuel leak, everything okay, no misfire, engine start normal. And also we check here, read. So start reading now. Let's take a little bit time. It's done. So 0, we don't have any error come back or fail code, nothing in dash. Engine start normal. Car is done. See you next job. Thank you.